let's start with Casey Hunt, who is on Capitol Hill with some breaking news on health care. Casey, what do we know at this point?
Well, Craig, what we know is that the Freedom Caucus has said that they are in favor and supportive of this compromise that we have been talking about over the course of the last week or two around health care that could clear the way for this Obamacare repeal and replacement legislation, the American Health Care Act, to get the 216 votes that it would need on the House floor to go forward. Now, we are still waiting. The Tuesday group, that's one of the groups of moderate members here in the House, they're meeting behind closed doors down here in the Capitol basement. But if the Freedom Caucus has said that they are on board with this, it's not clear that House leaders would need the votes of these moderate members in order to pass this bill, if that's what they want to go ahead and do. We were just talking with Congressman Joe Barton from Texas. He was previously a no. Now he is a yes on this legislation with these changes. And I know we've talked a lot about the substance of this, but just to recap a little bit on what this compromise would do, it would allow states to waive certain parts of the Affordable Care Act of Obamacare, including those essential health benefits, things like emergency care, maternity care, with the goal of lowering premiums. It would also allow insurers to charge people with pre-existing conditions more money for their health insurance if the state had a high-risk pool or other way of covering those people. So it would potentially make some substantial changes to the insurance for people who live in states where they elect to take these waivers, Craig. So, again, a major development here. We're not sure yet what the timeline on a potential vote might be. We're still talking to leadership aides to get a sense. This is kind of just coming out here in the last few minutes. One thing driving this change, the third-party outside conservative groups like the Club for Growth, for example, coming out and essentially saying, OK, we're willing to get on board with this compromise. That's been something that's been a sticking point and that really makes a difference to these Freedom Caucus members. Craig.
Casey Hunt with some breaking news there on the health care bill. Casey, keep us honest. I know you're going to continue to talk to legislators here throughout the hour.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.